You might have the ability to discover the exact same content in another format, or you may be able to find more information at their website. 1. Make certain the time is right. It's difficult to carve out the time and psychological space for dating, but believing it through might help you achieve clearness. When you've determined how crucial it is to you, your choices about dating will become clearer. Whether you wish to set aside 2 nights weekly or 1 morning every month for dating, it's up to you. 2. Ditch the guilt. If you are prepared to date, advise yourself that in addition to being a mother, you are first and primary a lady with a variety of wants and needs, states Jacqueline Friedenthal, Sci. Though discovering time as a single mom and dad can be difficult, remind yourself that you deserve to have your wants and requires fulfilled. Plus, your joy might permit you to be a more attentive, present, and loving mom and dad. 3. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.